In this video tutorial, you are going to learn what basic equipment you will need to start creating your own videos. Sometimes we think that we first need to invest a lot of money before we start creating videos, and this is simply not true. Actually, I encourage you to use whatever you already have available at home. You can start creating videos without investing any money. First, you start with what you have available, and then you understand and you realize your real needs, and then you start investing on improving your image, improving your sound, improving your lighting. It is like, for example, starting a new sport, like starting ski. If you just go and buy everything from the start before starting to ski and see what are your real needs, most probably this equipment will not be the right equipment for you. So let's see what 5 elements of equipment you will need to get started and how we can get started just by using what you already have available. So first of all, to start creating videos, of course, you will need a camera. And what is the best and easiest solution to start creating videos is just using your mobile phone camera. Nowadays, our phones have excellent cameras. Actually, they are very good quality cameras, and you can create videos looking nice and professional without investing on expensive cameras. Of course, you can also use your web camera to start creating videos. And if you really want to move to the next step, you can always, of course, invest in a DSLR camera which has a more professional image. The second element you will need to start creating videos is a tripod. It is very, very important not to hold the camera with our hands and have a shaky image, because people get dizzy. Nobody likes to watch a blurring image, moving image all the time. So we do need to have a stable place to place our camera. And what you can do just to start do-it-yourself solution is use either books, one on top of the other, or shoe boxes, one on top of the other, to stabilize your mobile phone. And here in the image you can see that I have just used the roller from a toilet paper and cut it in the middle to place my mobile phone, and that way it is a nice tripod do-it-yourself solution. Another way is to invest in an octopus tripod, which has a special mount on it to hold your mobile phone, or you can go all in and invest in a full professional tripod. There are so many out there in the market that you can use to place your camera or your mobile phone on it. The third element you will need is a microphone, and it is absolutely very important to have an external microphone and not use the microphone that is already there on your mobile phone or on your camera, because these microphones pick up also the surrounding noises, and then it's really tiring for the viewer to listen to background noise and at the same time try to listen to what you want to say. So always use an external microphone when you are creating videos. And what solutions do you have there? One easy solution is just to use your earphones. Place them on your ear, and that little microphone you have there, you can just pick up the noise, the sound from there, and it's much better than not using any external microphone. Another solution is to use a lavalier microphone. Is the microphone I also use for my videos. It's an inexpensive solution to improve your audio. And of course, you can invest, if you want, to an external microphone, which is a very dynamic, or a condenser microphone. There are many options out there in the market. It's a more professional way to grab audio. You can have a look at that. But really, I suggest that you just start with what you already have available, and this is your earphones. Our next step is our lighting. You will need some lighting in order for you to show nicely on camera. Even if you have the most expensive camera, the most expensive lens, if you don't have a nice lighting, then it will be a poor image. So absolutely, we need to take care of lighting. And again, there are many different lighting solutions. You can find a separate video which explains different lighting options. But all I want to say today to you is make sure that you have equal lighting on the one and on the other side of your face. It looks much more professional. We do not want shadows to have shadows on the one side or on the other. So make sure you have equal light. Either it's a natural light or an artificial light. And the fifth element you will absolutely need to start creating videos is a video editor. Why do we need a video editor? Because sometimes we make mistakes when we record our video, we're making pauses, big pauses, or we want to add a graphic element on the video, and that is happening in a video editor. There are two options. You can either use a video editor software that is for a desktop, and I am suggesting Lightworks, DaVinci Resolve, and Windows Video Editor. All three of them are free to use. We have created a special video tutorial on how to create videos with Windows Video Editor. You can check that out if you want. And also you have another solution, which is how you can use video editor applications in your mobile phone. At the time of recording of this video, I'm suggesting VN Video Editor. Is excellent. It's free. You can use it for Android and for iPhone, and you can even use it on desktop and Mac. Right now it's free, and it's really very intuitive and very easy to use. And also you can try KineMaster and Filmora Go. They're also options to start editing your videos just by using your mobile phone. So these are these 5 equipments you need to have in order to start creating good, nice quality videos. You need a camera, which can be your mobile phone camera. You need a microphone, which can be your earphones. You will need a tripod, which can be books or shoeboxes stacked one on top of the other. You will need some lighting, which can be a daylight, just standing in front of a window. And you also need a video editor for post-production, just to make some adjustments. Good luck with the creation of your video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.